What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to open up an LLC if you live in Ohio. This video is gonna help you and get you started with your LLC so you can open a business bank account, a business credit card, and all of that good stuff. So with creating an LLC, what you need to do and to keep in mind is that you always have to renew the LLC every year to keep it active. So like just creating an LLC is not enough. Like to keep it active, just make sure to renew it every year once you do it. Also, you're also going to need to get an EIN number. What is the EIN number? It's like the social security of the business. You get this from the IRS. It's about an 8 to 9 digit number code that you get, and when you open like a business bank account, a business credit card, they're going to be asking for that number. So the EIN number is issued just once. You don't have to like the LLC, keep renew it every year. The EIN is a one and done type of thing. So just keep that in mind. And by the end of this video, you're going to learn how to, set up your LLC. It's literally going to be real fast and easy. 5 minutes, no fluff. So if you want to follow along by any chance or means, it's going to be in the link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments if you want to follow along and use the same website that I'm using. So let's get started, right? So in front of me here, I have ZenBusiness. It's what I personally use to start up all of my businesses. I personally sell on Amazon. It's how I make the majority of my money and income. So I highly recommend ZenBusiness if you're trying to start up a new business, right? So what you want to do is have a business name already in mind that you want to have. So for me, let's say I want to put Midtown Power Seller. For this example, you don't have to put LLC because it already does it for you. Now you're going to click ready to get started. You're going to click this bottom right corner. And now you're going to put the state that you're in. We're going to put Ohio for this example. And then how much experience do you have running a business? We're going to put some. Will your business have employees within the first year? For me, I just sell online, so no, it's just going to be me. But if you do planning on having employees, you could put yes, right here. And will your business address be different from your home address? Personally, for me, I always use my home address for my LLCs because I sell online, and it's not really a big deal for me when it comes to that. If you have a retail or a storefront, of course you're going to have a different address. It all depends on your situation, right? So for me, I personally, I'm going to have, will your business be different? No, it's going to be the same. How far along is your business? So for me, I plan on launching it soon, 1 to 2 months. You could put, already making money or planning for the future, whichever works for you. What are your business goals? For me, it's going to be primary income. They also have side business or the next big thing. And then what kind of business are you forming? So what you want to do is click this little drop box over here, and then it's going to show you all of the industries and categories that your business could fit into. For me, I do e-commerce. That's for like selling online and stuff. So I'm just going to type in e-commerce here, and you can see it right there. But like I said, whatever fits for you, just click that little drop box and find it for you guys. So do you want to save your progress? No, we're going to skip this because literally we're almost done with the whole process of doing your LLC. So we're going to skip that. All right, now a lot of people tend to get confused with this question. Appoint your state required registered agent, right? So what I like to do is I am always a registered agent for all of my LLCs, and I would say 90 to 95, even higher % of people will fall under the same thing, because you don't need that to file your business bank account or credit card. So look, to put it in perspective, right? Why you would have somebody else as a registered agent, it might be if you let's say I'm living in Florida, right? And I want to file an LLC in Wyoming, and I don't live in Wyoming. Then I would have to have a registered agent because you need to live in the state to file an LLC in that state. That's when you have to hire someone as a registered agent. So if you live in Ohio, just because it's more likely that you should be your own registered agent, ideally. Like for me, I live in Florida. I am always my own registered agent in Florida. So I'd say the only reason people have other people as registered agents is for, you know, tax benefits. Like let's say if I wanted to file an LLC in Wyoming because they have a little bit of different laws when it comes to the LLC, like you have a little bit more privacy. So let's say your CPA recommends it to you, you know, for tax benefits or something like that, then maybe you'd have a, you know, registered agent. But like I said, I'm always my own registered agent for all of the LLCs that I create, and I recommend you to do it as well, unless, you know, your CPA recommends you later on down the line. Let's say you're making a ton of money, then, you know, make an LLC in a different state. But you're gonna be clicking here, I'll appoint my own registered agent, which is gonna be yourself right here. I'm gonna click this one down. I want to appoint someone else, which is gonna be yourself. All right, choose your package. All right, so what I personally like to do is I like to pick either the starter or the pro. The premium is a little bit overpriced in my opinion. I really like the pro, to be honest, because, all right, so cool thing about Zen Business is that you don't have to pay anything to use their service with the starter, right? It's $0 to use their service. All you have to do is pay that state filing fee of $99 for Ohio. But the only downfall to this is that the filing takes 2 to 3 weeks, and you don't get that EIN number as well. With the pro, filing 1 to 2 business days, and you also get the EIN number, which is pretty good, right? So it all depends on your situation and where you're at with your business. Let's say you're ready to get going, you want to open your business bank account, your business credit card, and you're really, you know, eager to, you know, start making money, then you probably go with the pro. If you don't mind waiting, you can go with the starter, and you can even click here with the starter and get the EIN number for $99. It'll save you some money. That'd be cool, right? So let's go with the pro here for this example, and we're gonna click next, right? Now you're gonna get a bunch of added on, you know, features like, do you want a business bank account? For this, we're gonna put no thank you. Bookkeeping, no thank you. Website builder, no thank you. No thank you. And then now you can just put in your information. So just put in your information. I'm gonna put something random stuff because this is just an example. Right, and then we're gonna put, okay, now we're gonna continue to the order. And then you're just gonna click continue to payment. So you can see here, I picked the pro. I paid a little bit extra, $199, plus this Ohio filing fee of $99. You could have picked the $0 one and then just pay the state filing fee of $99. All up to you. So you're gonna continue payment. Just gonna put your card info here and your password, and you're all set and done. Literally, that's how you can get an LLC done and established in Ohio. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, leave a comment down below. Also, hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. It helps me out a ton. This channel is pretty new, so if you just, you know, take 5 seconds of your time, subscribe down below, like this video, I'd really appreciate it. And that's pretty much it for now. If you have any questions, like I said, put them in the comments. See you guys in the next one. Peace.